What's up guys, this is Izzadin here from Raqmedia.com. Today we're back with another review. This time we're gonna be looking at the new Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So let's check it out. Welcome back. So that's the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. I have been using this device for almost 1 month in order to give you an honest review. So we can say that's a really decent product from Samsung. So let's open it up. So first of all, we find the tablet, which is in a cloth packaging. Well protected. With the logo in the center. Good. Next we have the help booklet. Comes with the pin in order to get your SIM out, and memory card if you have a memory card. Good, we'll show you how to use it later. In the package we find the booklets. So first we have the guide booklet, which you find useful information in order to set up and avoid any problems that you might encounter while using this tablet. Also information about the battery, etc. Setting up the SIMs and the memory card. Good. Next we have the warranty card. Comes with the different languages. Also it comes with the charger, USB charger. Which is not that long. Almost 60 centimeters. It will be enough. Good. Next we have the charger, which is a standard Samsung charger. Does not support the fast charging. Okay, so with this we are done with the packaging and the different articles. Let's go back to the tablet. Let's lift this. Let's get it out of this cloth. Well done. It's good impression. The display is a TFT capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. It is an 8-inch screen with a resolution of 800 by 1280 pixels and supports 16:10 ratio. It's a 210 by 124 8mm. From the side we have the volume buttons, the power button. From the bottom side we have the 2 speakers, which come at decent quality. Next we have the microphone, and at last the USB, micro USB 2.0 Type-C charger and connector. On this side we have the micro SD slot, which supports the SIM card and memory card at the same time. Need to use the pen to get it out. As we said, it supports a micro SIM and a micro SD card. At the back we have the logo, Samsung logo, and at the top we have the camera, which is 8 megapixel and can shoot videos up to 1080 pixels with 30 fps. At the top we have the jack 3.5. In the front we have the selfie camera of 2 megapixel, and at the buttons we have the 3 touch keypads. 210mm length per 124.4 width. It is 8mm thin. It comes at a very light weight, which is just 345 grams. Let's turn it on. So as we said, it comes with an aluminum back with a plastic frame and glass front. You need to have a nano SIM in order to use the network, the mobile network. The tablet was launched on July 2019. Good, so the tablet is on. The colors are really bright and it is nice in the touch and hold. So the top bar features different functionality, and it comes with Android 9.0. These are the default applications that you can use. Let's head on to settings, check the version. So as we said, this is Galaxy Tab A, 8 inches. Let's check the version. As we said, it comes with Android 9.0, the Pie version. Good. So let's check the RAM and ROM and storage in general. It comes with a non-removable LiPo 5100 mAh battery, which can hold up to 6 hours. It also comes with a 32 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. Processor is a 64-bit quad-core processor. Supports also the 4G LTE. And not all versions come with this support. Some versions just support the Wi-Fi, and this is powerful enough to support the latest and most popular applications without any lagging or any problems. Let's head on now to the camera, which is also one of the things which feature this tablet and make it unique compared to its price. As you can see at the bottom, there are different options and different functionalities that you can use while taking your shots or shooting videos. Really, it comes with very decent photo quality. As you can see, even when we zoom, the quality is still acceptable from a tablet. The pictures are still clear enough. We'll be dedicating a separate tutorial on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A camera on the coming videos, so just keep tuned in order not to make this unboxing too long. Also, one of the things that differentiate this tablet from other ones is the support or the option of having a child mode, which is called Kids Home. This will be useful if you are offering this to your kids or letting your kids use your tablet. So this mode will restrict many options and will make it safe for your children to use the tablet. We'll come to it in coming tutorials too. Great. Let's check the browsing experience. Let's open the YouTube. Well done. So it loads very fast. No problems. problem in surfing the web pages or videos. Now lagging, as you can see, it's very sleek. Although there are too many videos, let's check one of the videos. Great. So starts instantly, now buffering, now lagging too. Sound quality is also quite impressive and quite clear. Comfortable at using too, as you can see, playlists and videos. Let's check now the Google Chrome browser.
www.raqmedia.com.
Experience is the same as if you are using a laptop. You can use it to browse the net or read books, so that would be perfect, better than any other laptops or desktops. This tablet comes at a price of 150 euros, and we highly recommend it for its price and the different options it offers. If you want to get it, just check the links below the video. That's it. So that was our unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8-inch, 32 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. Till next unboxing, this is your host Azadeen. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com